Hello all, welcome to Bona Dea Fashions. In this video, we are here again back with the most demanded and restocked collection of semi-Arani soft silk sarees. All of these beautiful and vibrant collections are having plus and minus Arani thread weaving throughout the body, along with zari and thread weaving double side borders with a cheat pallu and a contrast plain blouse. And these beautiful collections are priced at 550 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states, the shipping charges be from 20 up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, take a screenshot and DM to the given WhatsApp number. Also, please note our payment mode is through online only. You can either do directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transaction. And also kindly avoid direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. And if you guys wanted our quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there given in the description. Hope you guys like these vibrant collections. If you like our video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.